Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nico here, and in today's video I got something really exciting for you. But if you don't know, behind me is my 2024 Audi SQ5, and I just got it a couple months ago, and I've been doing some little mods here and there. So if you're new to the channel, this is my car. Now, underneath here, under here you'll see 034 Motorsport logo. I went ahead and installed the front Resolites. Now, I realized like literally when I was done doing the install that I forgot to film like a, but anyway, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, I do have the ECS exhaust on here. It's not out yet, it will be out soon, so this is just a prototype. But basically there's this upstream adapter here that's for the ECS exhaust that connects to this. So if you're putting this on a stock exhaust, you obviously won't have that, but essentially you're clamping to the stock setup here, go through here, measure, cut, use the clamps that are installed. I mean, it's probably taking like an hour or so, not that long to be completely honest with you guys. Was a little finicky to try and get it, angled right, but I mean, other than that, pretty happy with the install process. Now, I have not started it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and start up here in a second and see what it sounds like. Now, again, mind you, I do have the ECS exhaust, so it'll probably be louder than what it would be, let's say, on a stock car, but I still do have stock downpipe though, so hopefully it'll be kind of similar. If you guys can see right here, this is what the stock front resonators look like. They're massive and just killing your sound. Let me go ahead and get the car on the ground, get it out of the lift bay, and we'll start it. Alright, so I got the car on the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys behind the exhaust and we'll get a semi-cold start. Alright, so I don't know how you guys heard that. I definitely noticed a slight difference. I mean, the main driver on these cars that make the most noise is definitely going to be the downpipe, which I will do eventually once I decide to go stage 2, but even just a small modification like that makes a difference. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and I'll film a little drive-by for you. Please stay. Alright, everybody, so I want to point something out now. So I have all the windows up. I'm in dynamic mode currently. Currently cruising in 7th gear at about 2,000 RPMs. There's no drone whatsoever. Because I will tell you that a lot of people complain that there's drone with these, but that normally only happens when you combine these with a downpipe. So be aware of that. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm gonna shift up to 8th. So 8th gear, currently at like 1,800 RPMs cruising. Still not a lot of drone. I hear a little bit more, but I also do have a trans mount insert, so that does add a little bit of vibration to the chassis. But overall, not terrible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slap it into comfort. All right. So now I have it in comfort mode, so the valve is closed, but I'm still cruising at around 2,000 RPMs. Still not a lot of drone at all. And I definitely can notice the difference in the cabin with the windows up. I can actually, hear the car. Before with just the ECS exhaust, you could hear the car, of course, but like it wasn't very noticeable. Now I kind of notice the exhaust more because, the main reason why I personally always cruise with my windows down is to hear that exhaust. Now I really don't have to do that anymore. That's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I'm also going to link this kit down below, so if you want to check it out for yourself, I bought it from ECS Tuning. Everybody, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.